Straighten that back. Straighten that back. One more burp coming. That's the face she does when she sees her dad. It's coming soon. The burp is coming. Let's get that burp out. Come on, don't get too distracted. Good. You're the best, Jakes. Those are the best ones.